As with central tendency statistics, variability statistics are simple to calculate using R. Understanding variability statistics is more difficult than calculating the statistics. I have loaded RStudio and have loaded into RStudio a project that I have named Titanic Analysis. One of the scripts in this project is descriptive statistics of passenger age. This is a script that I'm continuing to build to include more and more statistics as we learn about them. Let's open this script. The first function reads the data into an object called Titanic. The next two functions calculate the median and mean of passenger age, one of the variables in the Titanic object. I have added a function for calculating the minimum age. This function is called min. I will feed this function two arguments: Titanic age, the variable that I want to analyze, and na.rm equals true because I know I have some missing ages in the data. When I run this, I find an interesting age of 0.17 years. Evidently, there was at least one infant on board. The age of the infant was probably provided in months, so when the age variable was created using years as the unit of measurement, the number of months was translated into an age in years. Similarly, I can calculate the maximum age using the function max. I provided the same two arguments. The maximum age is 80 years old. This is the oldest passenger on the Titanic. I suspect the crew members on the Titanic were all under 80 years of age, so this was probably the oldest person on the ship. To calculate standard deviation, I use the function SD, which is of course short for standard deviation. I again provide the variable and tell the function that there is missing data that I want to ignore. The standard deviation is 14.4 years. Thus, with a mean age of 30 years, I should not be surprised to find passengers 14 years less than 30 years, 14 years older than 30 years. I actually should not be surprised to find even younger or older, but 14 years is a typical deviation. Standard deviation is most useful when comparing distributions, and we're not comparing the ages on the Titanic to any other ages, at least not in this analysis. Yet we now have this tool in our statistical toolbox when we are ready to make such comparisons.